Boom. So guys, you join me again, man. We're in Wales. We're in Wales, man. The views, the scenic views are absolutely insane, yeah. Obviously, we got the S3 again. You know how it is, man. We're out here with the S3 doing madness and doing bits, but yeah, man. Anyways, again, another POV time for you guys. You know how it is. Obviously, you got the car there looking absolutely insane, yeah. Looking mean as ever. Obviously, you got the exhaust. Obviously, the road I've been on right now, yeah, I've been blasting the hell out of it all the way here. Stopped up here because I thought, you know what, this road deserves a POV. And oh my God, boy oh boy, it's time, bruv. Car's warmed up, everything. I'm so stoked for this one, man, honestly. Right, let's jump in the car and let's flip and go. Again, guys, we out here with my beautiful ghetto friend, like the Scots say. But yeah, man, let's just get this party started. Are you ready, babe?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're ready, baby?
100%.
All right, let's get it, boys. Oh, this guy's stopping. You ready, baby?
I'm ready.
Let's get it. Oh my God. Right out the bat, the car just feels absolutely insane. I mean, obviously I've been driving the car for a while now, but all my days. I can't even hear I can't hear the exhaust properly because I've got the helmet. Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi. Oh my goodness. I got a helmet on, so if we do crash and burn, my head is safe. But baby, your head? I don't know about yours. Like I say, and I'll say it again, Pure Tuning has done an amazing job to this car. 400 brake, 550 Newton meters of torque. It's just absolutely insane what they've done to this car. Whew. And now obviously we're out here in Wales properly testing the car out, which is absolutely ridiculous. Oi, 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 oh my God, yo. Look at all the people of Wales. They're thinking, what the hell is that coming over the hedge? Oi, oi. Like at all my days now, this road is absolutely insane, bro. Holy crap. Yo. Ooh, obviously we had to be. These men had to ruin it. Oh my God. Can I just say the brakes are absolutely insane on this car. Oh my God, it's a sheep. Baby, you want to feel a sheep?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hope it doesn't go. Hope it doesn't go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Careful. Silently. Oh my God, he's leaving. No way. Baby. Baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't cross the road, sheep. I'll block it from this side. Hello, sheep. Get closer, get closer. Block it off, baby, block it off. Yeah, no, but it's gonna, no. No, it's on the road. Oh, look at his little bum. Look at his booty. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Let's see if we can, let's see.
Let's try.
Let's try. Let's see. Let me chase it. Shippy. Oh my days. Lord! It pulled. You see the pool? Oh my God, it shit itself. Oh my days, bro. That's jokes. Oh, that's jokes. Oh. Safe to say we couldn't touch a sheep today. Baby wanted to touch a sheep. Unfortunately, couldn't touch a sheep. Anyways, back to the POV, let's go. These roads are absolutely insane. Right, let's go. See the way I just quickly stop? Yeah.
If a lamb gets lost.
Yeah. Look at the views, man. Ridiculous. The brakes, like I was saying, is ridiculously mad on this car. God damn. Whew. Oh my God. Oi. But how's the braking feeling for you there? Because I'm braking quite hard. Like really braking hard.
For me,
Yeah.
I got the seatbelt. It's kind of blocking me before.
Oi. But now just mad brake, mad.
I felt this one.
Oi. Bend it in like Beckham, cuzzy. Bend it in like Beckham. Bro, this road is insane. Woo. I think we reached the end of the road where Waze has given up.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Oh, no connection.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh wow, what's going on here? I don't know if you guys can see that, guys, but Waze looks like it's basically run out of road.
That's the connection. I got you.
Oh, it continues. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, maybe Waze is being a little bit
Dramatic.
yes. Wait for the bus. Oh my God, do not strike my car! Oh my God. Holy sugar. Yo, babe, you don't understand how close that was. Literally, yeah. Mate, now we need to have a look at the car just to make sure. Holy crap. I'm sorry, but mate, baby, that was ridiculously way too close. Way too close. Oh my God, that made me like hot now. I think I saw these roads on the map, to be honest, when I was having a look. Boy. Oh my God, really?
Ruining it.
Oh. We need to try and park up and see if we can see. Baby, you don't understand how close that was. That was just way too close for comfort. Way too close for comfort. I'm not even gonna lie to you, babe. So close. I literally, my heart dropped, yeah. I genuinely thought, yeah, he was gonna hit the car. Honestly, I thought he was gonna hit the car.
We get close to the car, the mirror.
Huh?
Close to the car, the mirror.
Nah, the whole car, the whole car,
Oh,
the whole back of the car.
Oh.
You got close to the whole back of the car. Because the car wasn't straight, it was like this on the angle. Wow, this road is insane. Why are you taking up the whole space? Right, let's have a look at the car.
I'm sure it's fine.
No, it's fine, but I just wanna have a look, man. But it was, babe, literally, yeah, it was like this, yeah. See my car here?
Ooh,
Touching like this. And I freaked out, I was like, yo. Right, guys, let's have a look and see while we, okay, we're in neutral. Okay, now we're good, man. Whew. But anyways, man, guys, taking the view. Wow. Oh my, look at this, man. It's just like valleys just coming down. It's ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. We were literally just down there a minute ago. Now we're all the way up here. That's insane, man. Wow. I didn't know the UK looked like this. This is insanity, man. Wow. Wow. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it there, man. I am gonna call it there, man. Obviously, you guys already know, man, the Audi S3, man. Big shout out to Pure Tuning again, like I said. Big, massive shout out to Pure Tuning. They did a madness, man. Honestly, the stage 2 map on this thing is an absolutely animal, man. Honestly, bruv. Whew, oh my God, man. Honestly, bruv, absolutely insane, bruv. Anyway, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, if you want to see more POV style videos on the channel, yeah, you know, already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, yeah. Also, hit the like button as well and comment down below and tell me what you think about the POVs, if you want more POVs, because mate, I'm telling you guys now, yeah, we are on the road to getting the YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers, yeah, and for us to do that, you guys need to leave your comment section below and leave me ideas for videos to make. But yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.